How to see liked posts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. And then click on the three lines at the top right corner. From the given menu list, click on your activity and then click on interactions. Then click on likes. And here you will be able to find all of your liked posts on Instagram. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find and see your liked posts in Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.